Scientists are baffled by a cat that purrs without making a sound, a phenomenon that defies the laws of acoustics. This feline enigma produces the comforting vibrations of a purr, but they fall silent to the human ear, leaving researchers scratching their heads. Experts have identified typical purring as a low-frequency sound produced by rapid movements of the laryngeal muscles, yet this cat's purr seems to bypass the audible spectrum entirely. Could this be a unique adaptation or an example of feline evolution in action? The cat's owner reports feeling the usual soothing rumble when petting their pet, but it's completely inaudible to anyone else nearby. This has sparked a flurry of investigations, as scientists aim to uncover whether this silent purr is a new form of communication within the animal kingdom or a rare genetic anomaly. As they delve deeper, the mystery of the invisible purr continues to captivate and confound.